Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay, thank you. Swagi public students are very good students. Okay, and today I start a new topic, types of balancing. And you know the different videos also sent my YouTube channels here, and student can be see my YouTube channel Super 20 classes by Aaron sir, and the online channel here. And today you see there are three types of balancing: electro-balancing, co-balancing, and coordinate balancing. And first we discuss about the electro-balancing. Electro-balancing, the transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom is known as electro-balancing. The transfer of electron one atom to another atom is known as electro-balancing. For examples, the compound forming a electro-balancing NaCl, FeCl2, AlCl3. Suppose that you take the first example. NaCl, you know the Na and Cl. Both are, this is metal, this is non-metal. Sodium is metal and Cl is non-metal. You know here, this is a metal and Cl is non-metal. Metal means the electrons attracting nature here. Chlorine attracts electron from other atoms here, and metal means the electron releasing nature, means it has configuration 281 and it has configuration 287. Okay, and you know the basically when the two atoms combine with each other for the purpose to complete their octet. Okay, then when the one electron is destroyed the sodium here, and in the outer shell of chlorine 7 electrons, when destroyed electrons ionize to complete their octet chlorine here, then one electron transferred from chlorine to complete 8 electron in outer shells, 1 electron, then it can be, you know, when any atom release the electrons from the outer shells, the process is known as oxidation. The process is known as oxidation. And when any atom takes 1 electron, 2 electrons or 3 electrons in outer shell atom, the process will be reduction. Process will be reduction. You study in the class 10 here, no needs for this time here. Then you can also write Na plus and Cl negative. The cations, this is a cation, this is anions here. You know, this is a cations, and this is your anions. Chloride, this is chloride ion here, and this is sodium ion here, and this is cation, this is anion. In this sodium ion and chloride ion, the having the positive and negative nature, in between both two ions, the both two ions having this type of relation, the partial bonds, just like this is the one electrons transfer from here. This bond is known as electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond. Okay, and this electrovalent bond is having the strong electromagnetic natures, and you know the different charges having the high magnetic nature. This is the polar compound here, NaCl here, polar compound here. The characteristics of the NaCl having the strong lattice structure here, and it having also polar capacities, and the boiling and melting point is also high. Okay, because the lattice structure, lattice crystals forming having high heat required to break the bond here. Then the electrovalent compounds having a high melting and boiling points. Okay, and its valency will be electrovalency. And I give the short charts about these are. You can also prepare not only CBSE. You can my lectures also giving the knowledge to the next preparation for NEET, IITs, another high levels examination. Okay, and the students you see seriously here, and notes also giving by lecture here. And you know this is the first examples of NaCl with the help of this mechanism. We can also mechanize for the next compound NaCl2, LCl3. Okay, but same rules here, no any change. Then today only give the electrovalency lecture. Next day I give the covalency and coordinate valence here. Then the students are looking the no extra words for explaining this here. And very good time today looking here. The sun is rising, very good, and atmosphere is very good. And this is natural bed, rural bed, but natural bed. And my school also present near to the Suhabi Hills here, and very good tourism place for any person see my school and meetings for students, girls and boys here. Very good place. I'm proud of my school and students also here. And next is taking example MgCl2. Okay, there one magnesium and two chlorine atom here, and you know that magnesium having the atomic number 10 282, and chlorine having the atomic number 17 287. Then the same process, the outer shell electrons in the magnesium is 2, in outer shell electron in chlorine is 7. Then you can also write Mg and 2 chlorine here, and 2 electrons in the magnesium and 7 electrons in chlorine. And you can also knowing a 7 electrons in chlorine, both chlorine atoms, the 1 electron transferred from the first and second here, and both chlorine atoms completed their update here, and it can be write the magnesium release the electron from the outer shells. Then you can write Mg double plus 2Cl negative. And the in between the magnesium and chloride ions bond is known as electrovalent bond. This is the electrovalent bond here, and the valency will be electrovalency. Okay. Then the student this standard also maintained in the high school standard. And but you are the senior class students, and you have to explain another lattice structures. Suppose that this is your nucleus, and in the suppose that NaCl structure here is this type. This is your cell structure of sodium here. There are 3 cells. You know that there are 3 cells in the sodium, 2 electrons, and there are 8 electrons, and the 8 electrons and 1 electron in the last here, and chlorine having the nucleus. There are 3 cells also here, and looking the 2 electrons and 8 electrons. and 7 electrons in the outer shells here. And 1 electron, you see from the structure of the shell structure here, and 1 electron released from this here, and it completed is octet. Then 1 electron means 1 cell is lost here, this cell is lost here. After this phenomena, it can be transferred from this type of structure. Only 2 electrons, this is 2 electrons. This is your sodium ion, the cell structure of sodium ion, and you can also write rho in the cell. The 2 electron in the first and next. And the last also 8 electrons. Then this is your chloride ion. The structure of chloride ion is structure of sodium ion, and you say that this is the transfer of electron. This is a transfer of electrons. Okay. Then today, and you can also magnetize by the lattice structure, and you can say that suppose that the lattice structure of NaCl, you can also take this types of structures here. This is your lattice structure, and you can also write ionized form. Student, don't discussion here. See, thing on board seriously, only wires. You have any question can be asked here. Okay, after the lecture,
Yes.
you have any question you can ask after the lecture. Then in the lecture time, only discussion here. When students not follow this rule, this is the wrong way. Okay, and this time, this is the lattice structure of NaCl. In this lattice structure, suppose that Cl negative, this is Na plus, Cl negative, Na plus, and Na plus, this Cl negative, Na plus, 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 Cl negative. You can also draw this type of structure lattice